Hello friends, how are you? I hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Accent Fashion. So viewers, I am back again with most demanding and stylish short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyle design ideas for our beautiful and gorgeous women. Dear viewers, I always try to bring useful content and useful videos. So if you are liking my YouTube channel content, then please support me. Do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share my videos and like my videos. Don't forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my upcoming videos. Dear viewers, there are different types of short pixie bob haircuts and hairstyles. If you want to do these beautiful short pixie haircut, then you should must visit your near salon and choose a haircut that suits on your face posture so that you can look beautiful and gorgeous. So viewers, if you are looking for a new and trendy hair dye color idea, then this video will help you a lot in choosing a stylish and trendy hair dye color for your beautiful hair. I will catch you soon with latest content of women's fashion and style. Till then, stay connected and keep visiting my YouTube channel for more updates.